Hey, so in this video, I'll talk about issues we face while creating appointments for calendars in Gohighlevel. Uh, so basically, we use the create event API endpoint for calendars, and this is how a calendar would look like, studio calendar, something like this. So if we go in here, we can see there are some availability timings. So for each day, for some hours, this calendar will have slots. And if we scroll down, we can also see there are some configurations over here like meeting interval, meeting duration. So I have kept this to to the bare minimum of 5 minutes. I mean, we can also take it down to 1 minute, but then it would, okay, it is 5 minutes. I was wrong. So I have kept it to bare minimum of 5 minutes so that we can have maximum slots possible. Date range 365 so that we can book for the next 365 days. And also maximum bookings is 1000, 10,000, 100, 1000. So that sort of numbers so that we can have enough bookings for each slot and not just one or two. And minimum scheduling notice should also ideally be zero, so that even 1 minute before the user should be able to create the appointment. Because most of the time you will be facing an error that says that looks something like this over here. So I have a log for calendar appointments over here. So over here there is something called as the slot you selected is no longer available, and there can be multiple reasons. For example, the current time is 5 p.m. and you're trying to book an appointment for 4:55 p.m. So in that case you will get this error. Some other cases where you could get this error is when the slot is not available, obviously. So meeting duration or meeting interval, if you raise it to something like 1 hour, so the slot is only slot becomes an hourly slot. Okay. And also uh, most of the time you I mean, yeah, most of the time you would not be able to overlap appointments. So for example, if you have an appointment that lasts from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m., then you cannot have another appointment at 4:30 p.m. And that is the reason why I have kept the meeting intervals to 5 minutes, so that every 5 minutes you can have new appointments, and the overlapping issue would be mostly solved for meetings that are longer, for meetings that are 5 minutes apart at least. And so within the hour we can have what, 12 meetings, I guess. 60 by 5, yeah, 12 meetings instead of just one meeting if the meeting interval was 1 hour. So you have to take care of those things. A simple way to debug this, if you are getting such errors, is you open up the calendar over here and you look at all of its slots. So you pick up the link, the slots open up. Now the API usually sends in the timing, which is UTC time zone. At least the Mindbody API which I am using is sending UTC time zone and not the current location time zone. So you can go to the UTC time zone and open up the slots over there. Then you can start matching. Like if you got 7th of April 11:15, you can check over here if that slot is available or not, and that would help you in knowing whether the slot is actually available in the calendar. If it is, then well, then you need to look further why that issue is coming up. Maybe there is only one booking per slot that's allowed. So usually these are the issues you would face when creating appointments via calendar. Way to fix the issue, I mean, it's not 100% fix, but if you are okay, or if your client or project manager or whoever is leading or supervisor, if they are okay with booking the appointment anywhere within the day, and the timing is not an issue, then what you could do is you could fetch slots from an API endpoint of GHL for that particular day, and then you can book the slot. So that way you can avoid getting the error that the slot is not available. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.